Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a device on the SmartLife app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you use the SmartLife app. How do you actually go ahead about sharing a device? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the SmartLife app. Next, click on a device that you want to go ahead and share. Then, click on the upper right hand corner where you see the pencil icon. Then go ahead and click on Share Device. Once you click on this portion here, you can either share it via message, email, or copy a share link. So with that being said, you can see that there are multiple different ways to actually share this device, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about sharing a device. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.